Good morning, my dear students. Today, we're going to learn about Lesson 5.3, Why Won't It Work? On your student book, it is on page number 76 to 77. Let's start. For pre-assessment, write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. Write your answer in your notebook. Components must be connected correctly to form a circuit. Number 2, in an open circuit, the lamp will still light up. You have only 2 minutes to do this pre-assessment. For the learning objective of this lesson, to explore how an electric device will not work if there is a break in the circuit. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain and explore how an electrical device will not work if there is a break in the circuit. Look at the socket. What do you think is the reason why this is not working? On the right side of your notebook, write the success criteria and meaning of keywords that you can see from the glossary of your book. The success criteria, write 1 or 2 points on what you will learn at the end of the lesson. And for the keywords, find the definition of the following keywords using the glossary of your book. The keywords are circuit and break. You have only 3 minutes to do this activity. Now, it's time for discussion. You will have a pair work, think, pair, and share activity. Take a look at these two problems. Problem 1, Harry's flashlight won't light up. Problem 2, Vanessa's reading lamp is not working. What could be causing each of these problems? Discuss your answer with your partner. You have only 3 minutes to do this activity. Take a look at this slideshow of circuits breakers. Those are examples of circuits breakers. Now, read through the information on student book page 76 to 77. Why won't it work? Electrical devices can only work if the electrical circuit to which they are attached is complete. If there is a break in the circuit, it is incomplete and the device will not work. Consider the following problems. Harry's flashlight won't light up, and Vanessa's reading lamp is not working. What could be causing each of these problems? The devices in the pictures are not working because there is a break in the circuit. There are a number of things that can cause a break in a circuit. First, switches are used to break circuits on purpose. When the switch is off, the circuit is broken and the device will not work. Second, incomplete connections will also cause break in circuits. When a main electrical device is unplugged, the connection to the electricity supply is broken and the device won't work. When wires or other components are loose or when there is something breaking the connection, the circuit is broken and the device won't work. Third, faulty components can cause break in circuits. Flat batteries, broken or spent bulbs, gaps between the connection in the switch and the broken wires will also cause a device in the circuit and the device won't work. Special circuit breakers also cause this problem, such as fuses are installed in the homes and vehicles. If the electricity supply is too strong or there is a problem with the supply, the fuse wire burns out and breaks the circuit by causing a gap that the electricity cannot flow through. So many devices that you use at home rely on two switches to make a complete circuit. Explain how this works. For your individual work, take a look at these electrical devices. What would you check first if was not working? Write your suggestions in your notebook. You have only 3 minutes to do this individual work. Now, let us discuss the answer for question 1 and 2 on student book, page number 76 to 77. For questions number 1, what could be causing this problem? For number 2, many devices that you use at home rely on two switches to make a complete circuit. Explain how this works. For number 1, the answer is for flashlight, flat battery, broken bulb, switch not making contact, for lamp or burnout bulb, not plug in power outage, and similar. For number 2, devices are plugged into the mains at the wall and the main switch has to be on for the current to flow. The device also has its own on and off switch to allow the current to flow to it. For that answers of question 1 and 2, you're going to write in your notebook. So write SB, question 1 and 2, page 76 to 77. For your individual work, you're going to do the activity on your workbook, page 65. Find the break. These devices are not working. The users have checked some things already. What could be causing the break in the circuit? So you're going to write what is the possible problem. You have only 3 to 4 minutes to do this work. And now, for your hands-on activity, you will have the pair work. You're going to complete the workbook activity on page 66, work with your partner. Checking for broken wires. Nadira has this length of cable. She is concerned that some of the copper wires may be damaged or broken. She wants to check that they are all intact before she uses the cable to lengthen the wire on her new desktop. Why is Nadira concerned about the broken wires? Second, design a simple testing circuit that you could use to check whether the wires are broken. Draw a label diagram to show how your testing circuit would work. Number 3, explain how you would make sure that you had tested each of the 4 copper wires and remember which ones you had tested. So you have only 8 minutes to do this hands-on activity. For your assessment, click this link and do the online quiz. This is the link for the online quiz. For your homework, make a list of devices at your home and write how it works. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a good day.